Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our beauty community. Today, I've got something super exciting for all of you who are always on the go, but still want to look fabulous. In this video, I'm going to show you my 5-minute morning makeup routine. Perfect for those busy mornings when you need to get out the door fast, but still want to look polished and put together. Trust me, babes, we've all been there. Those mornings when you hit snooze one too many times and suddenly you're scrambling to get ready. But don't worry, I've got you covered, so grab your makeup bag and let's get started. All right, my loves, let's dive into this 5-minute routine. It's quick, it's easy, and it's going to make you feel fabulous. And remember, babes, a flawless makeup look always starts with a flawless base. Your skin is the canvas, and we want it to be as smooth and perfect as possible. So first things first, we're gonna give our skin some love with a good moisturizer. This is the foundation of any great makeup routine. This step is crucial, you guys, because it not only hydrates your skin, but also creates the smoothest canvas for your makeup to just glide on. Hydrated skin means fewer dry patches and a more even application. Today, I'm using the product name Moisturizer. It's one of my absolute favorites. I am obsessed with this stuff because it's super lightweight, absorbs like a dream, and leaves my skin feeling so supple and hydrated. It's like giving your skin a big drink of water. I just gently massage it into my skin and it instantly wakes up my complexion. You can really see the difference it makes. Next up, we're going in with a primer. This step is just as important as moisturizing. And remember, beauties, not all primers are created equal. There are so many different types out there. It's super important to choose one that's specifically formulated for your skin type. Whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin, there's a primer out there for you. Whether you're dealing with oiliness, dryness, or large pores, there's a primer out there that can help you create the perfect base for your makeup. It can make a huge difference in how your makeup looks and lasts. A good primer will not only smooth out any imperfections, but also help your makeup last all day long, which is a total lifesaver on those busy mornings when you don't have time for touch-ups. It's like an insurance policy for your makeup. I'm using the product name primer today because it helps to blur my pores and control shine. It's perfect for keeping my makeup looking fresh and flawless all day. Now let's talk complexion. For this 5-minute routine, we're ditching the heavy foundation and opting for something a little lighter and more forgiving. I'm all about that natural, effortless look, and a BB cream or tinted moisturizer is perfect for achieving that your skin, but better finish. I'm reaching for my trusty product name BB cream today. It provides just the right amount of coverage to even out my skin tone and blur any imperfections, but it still lets my natural skin peek through. Plus, it's super easy to blend. I just like to dot a few drops onto my forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin, and then I blend it out using my fingers or a damp beauty sponge. You can use a brush if you prefer, but I find that using my fingers or a sponge helps to really warm up the product and melt it into my skin for a seamless finish. And that's it for complexion. Super quick, super easy, and your skin will look instantly more radiant and refreshed. All right, beauties, now it's time to banish those under-eye circles and say bye-bye to any blemishes. Concealer is our best friend on those busy mornings when we need a little extra help to look and feel our best. Trust me, a little bit of concealer goes a long way. I'm using the product name concealer today because it's super creamy, highly pigmented, and blends like a dream. I like to apply it in a little triangle shape under my eyes to brighten up my entire face. And then I also add a few dabs to any blemishes or areas where I need a little extra coverage. When it comes to blending out concealer, I like to use a small fluffy brush or a damp beauty sponge. The key is to blend, blend, blend until the product is seamlessly melted into your skin and there are no harsh lines or edges. And remember, you can always build up the coverage gradually until you achieve your desired level of perfection. And there you have it. Flawless, airbrushed looking skin in just a matter of minutes. Now, let's move on to brows. This is one of my favorite parts of the makeup routine because well-defined brows can truly transform your entire look. You guys know I'm all about a bold brow, but even on busy mornings, we don't have to skip this step. A few minutes spent on your brows can make you look more put together and awake. A quick brow routine can make a world of difference in framing your face and adding that extra bit of polish to your look. It's amazing how much more defined and structured your face can appear with just a little effort. For this 5-minute routine, I'm reaching for my trusty brow pencil. It's my go-to tool because it's so versatile and easy to use, even if you're in a rush. I love using a pencil because it gives me a lot of precision and control, which is perfect when I'm short on time. Plus, it allows me to create a natural look by mimicking the appearance of real brow hairs. I'm using the product name Brow Pencil in the shade name, because it matches my brows perfectly and has a nice fine tip that allows me to create hair-like strokes. This makes it easy to fill in any gaps without looking too harsh. I start by brushing through my brows with a spoolie to make sure all the hairs are going in the right direction. This step is crucial for achieving a neat and tidy look. Then, I use light, feathery strokes to fill in any sparse areas and define the shape of my brows. This technique helps to keep the brows looking natural and not overly done. I like to focus on the outer corners of my brows to create a lifted effect. And then I blend everything out with the spoolie for a natural, seamless finish. Blending is key to avoid any harsh lines and to ensure the brows look soft and natural. And that's it for brows. With just a few simple steps, you can achieve beautifully defined brows that enhance your overall look. Quick, easy, and your brows will be looking on fleek in no time. Remember, well-groomed brows can make a huge difference, so don't skip this step even on your busiest days. Okay, beauties, it's time to open up those eyes and make them pop. Mascara is a must-have in any makeup routine, but especially when you're short on time. A few quick swipes of mascara can instantly lengthen, volumize, and define your lashes, making your eyes look bigger, brighter, and more awake. For this 5-minute routine, I'm using the product name Mascara. This mascara is my holy grail because it gives me the most incredible length and volume without any clumping or flaking. Plus, it's super black, which really makes my eyes stand out. I like to wiggle the mascara wand from the root of my lashes to the tips, making sure to coat every single lash. I also like to apply a second coat for extra drama and intensity, and if you're feeling extra sassy, you can even add a little bit of mascara to your lower lashes to really open up your eyes. And that's it for mascara. Your eyes will be looking bright, wide-eyed, and ready to conquer the day. All right, loves, let's add a touch of color and glow to our complexion. Today, we're diving into the magical world of blush and highlight, two essential steps that can transform your look in just a few minutes. Blush and highlight are my secret weapons for faking a well-rested, radiant look, even when I'm running on fumes. These two products can make a world of difference, giving your skin a healthy, youthful appearance. And the best part is, it only takes a few seconds to apply. Whether you're in a rush or just want a quick pick-me-up, blush and highlight are your best friends. For this 5-minute routine, I'm using a cream blush because it gives the most natural, dewy finish. Cream blushes are perfect for achieving that fresh, glowing look without much effort. I'm obsessed with the product name Cream Blush in the shade name, because it gives my cheeks the prettiest blush of color without looking too overdone. It's like a natural blush that enhances your skin's own beauty. I like to smile to find the apples of my cheeks, and then I gently tap the cream blush onto my skin using my fingers. This method ensures that the blush blends seamlessly into my skin. You can also use a brush if you prefer, but I find that using my fingers helps to warm up the product and blend it out seamlessly. The warmth of your fingers can really help the blush melt into your skin. I like to blend the blush upwards towards my temples for a lifting effect. This technique not only adds color, but also gives your face a more sculpted look. Now let's add a touch of highlight to those cheekbones. Highlighting is all about bringing light to the high points of your face, making you look more awake and vibrant. Highlight is my favorite way to fake a lit-from-within glow, and it instantly makes me look more awake and radiant. It's like a magic wand that brightens up your entire face. I'm using the product name highlighter today because it gives me the most beautiful, natural-looking glow without emphasizing texture or looking glittery. It's perfect for achieving that subtle yet stunning radiance. I like to apply the highlighter to the tops of my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and on the inner corners of my eyes. These areas catch the light beautifully, enhancing your features. You can use a brush or your fingers to apply, but I prefer to use a small, fluffy brush for a more precise application. This allows me to control the placement and intensity of the highlight. And that's it for blush and highlight. With just a few simple steps, you can achieve a fresh, glowing look that enhances your natural beauty. Your skin will be glowing, your cheeks will be flushed, and you'll look like you just woke up from a full 8 hours of sleep. This routine is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a busy workday or a special event. And finally, let's finish off this 5-minute makeup look with a swipe of lip color. For this routine, I'm keeping things simple and effortless with a nude gloss. but feel free to rock whatever lip color makes you feel confident and fabulous. I'm obsessed with the product name lip gloss in the shade name, because it's super hydrating, not sticky at all, and gives my lips the prettiest, juicy-looking shine. Plus, the nude shade is perfect for everyday wear and complements any makeup look. I like to apply the lip gloss directly from the tube, starting in the center of my lips and working my way outwards. And if I make any mistakes, I just clean up the edges with a cotton swab. And that's it! Our 5-minute makeup look is complete, and you're ready to conquer your day. And there you have it. A quick and easy 5-minute morning makeup routine that's perfect for busy mornings. I hope you loved this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below telling me your go-to makeup product for a fast morning routine. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any new beauty tips and tricks. I'm always here to help you look and feel your absolute best, even when you're short on time. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.